So you want to use your new PolyPhoenix Airstill. As you probably know, it's integrated into the RAPT system, so you need to go to your phone and download RAPT Brew. You won't find it in the old version of the RAPT app. You need RAPT Brew. Before we start in the app, go onto your PolyPhoenix Airstill, turn on the power and press the enter button. That's the little arrow, and you'll find where it says set up Airstill. Press that. It'll say use the RAPT Brew app to set up this device. You'll notice the RAPT Brew app has a square icon. That's the one you want to use. You might have quickly noticed then that the app updates itself. If it doesn't, you need to be on one of the latest versions or you won't find the PolyPhoenix Airstill. Once you're in, click the little hamburger at the top left to go into the menu. Press Add Device, and you should see the Poly Airstill Pro there at the top. Once you press on that, you should see your Airstill there. If you don't, check your Bluetooth is on your phone, and if that doesn't help, restart the Airstill. You press on that, and it'll ask you to pair. Once you pair, you don't have to allow the access to contacts. If you don't want to, you can turn that off. Pair the device. It'll scan for Wi-Fi. Every time I've tried to do this, my Wi-Fi doesn't come up. I don't know if that's a setting on my phone or setting somewhere else, but I just add it as a custom network. I put in my network name and network password, of course. Connect. And this is all in real time. I haven't sped any of this footage up. If anything, I've paused in places so you can see the screen. Once it's connected, you can change the name of it. And that's it. Click Finish Setup. And you are done. There's your Airstill connected into your RAPT system. Now, if you have problems, which can happen, of course, with any devices and Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, that's okay. But what I've found is once you sort of have to start all the way over again, you can go into the settings on the Airstill and make sure you clear the Wi-Fi settings and go into your phone and remove the device from your Bluetooth settings. So you're starting from scratch each time, and that really helps. Thanks for watching, and there'll be lots more RAPT Airstill videos and PolyPhoenix Still videos coming up in the future. Cheers. Any questions, just ask.